everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos CVP Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. I'd like to wish you a happy 4th of July and Independence Day weekend for everyone here in the U.S. Now, this week's song is going to be great when you hear the style. When I show you what I did to the style, and I only made one little edit to it, but this style is going to make you sound like a pro if you can just play the C chord, the G chord, F chord. Very easy song to play, but it's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to learn something about your buttons on here and different instruments. So this is an important video. Now, for all of you out there, you know I have the new digital retailer where you can order individual sheet music besides ordering my great book bundles. We're going to be doing an extra couple songs this month in July, some party songs, the Hokey Pokey and the Macarena. That's going to be a lot of fun. They're going to be extra songs included beyond our book bundle songs. So let's take a quick look at the music for Never My Love. Okay, so as I'll show you in the mixer in this video, we're going to go into the mixer, style 1, and raise the pad volume up to 74. On the Tyros, we're using a chart guitar pop, tempo 93. On the Genos, we're using pop soul ballad, tempo 93. For all of you who have all my bundles, I'm in bank 12, registration 3, and this is in bundle 2. Remember, this is my shortcut to learning how to play chords like a pro. I spend a lot of time doing this for you. Remember to watch the fingering and hold down the red notes to get to the next chord. You'll really learn how to play chords really well with that. So let's take a listen now to the style and let you hear what I've come up with. Okay, so go into the mixer here once you load my style. Now you know I'm going to email you this user style so you can just load it in your Genos, Tyros, or CVP. And of course the registration bank, I'm in bank 12, registration number 3. Inside the mixer you want to go to style 1 and make sure your volume is at 74 on that pad. Very important. It's a great sound. When you hear what this sound does, it makes you sound so professional, and I'll give you a little demo of that in a little bit. Okay, so we're done with the mixer for right now. On OTS2, I've got a steel acoustic finger guitar, volume 127. On OTS3, I have, in the organ flutes, a jazz standard. Now we're going to need to do something with that right here. So I'm going to hit my second pedal, my little floor pedal, after I hit direct access, and I'm going to change it from vocal harmony off and on, which is what I usually use all the time, go to voice, and at this point I want to get the organ rotary slow and fast on that pedal. Want to do that, okay? And if you're not sure, you can just store that in OTS3, and then eventually we're going to store it right here into our bank. So real quick, what I'm going to do is take this and put it in the registration memory so it remembers my pedal setting and all that kind of good stuff. So that's on the jazz standard organ, and I'll show you that in just a sec. So OTS4, I've got a Hold It Fast organ and Seattle Romance strings. Now Hold It Fast organ I've got at 96, And the Seattle Romance I've got at 86. Now remember, I'll be emailing you this style, so you just have to load everything and then load it into your bank when I send you the bank. So that'll be very good. Remember now, with the MIDI file I'm sending you, there's a multitude of things that you can do with that MIDI file. So if you want the score for it, you're gonna, and you have my system, you push assignable B and your score is gonna come up. It's gonna show you all the extra right hand notes I played and the chords. But more importantly, you can actually go into the channels and take off the lead note, which is on number 1. You can play while I'm playing the chords behind you. So there's a lot of things that you get with that MIDI file as well. Okay, so on that pad, for instance, I'm just going to play the chord real quick. You're going to hear that great organ in your left hand. Now on C, you'll hear the organ spinning fast. It slow down and go fast. It's doing that automatically, and that was pretty hard to do in the old days. You'd have to be a really good player to do that. And of course, that's what your pedal is going to be used for on your right hand, is getting that rotary off and on when you want to use it. So when I play the song, you'll actually hear what I'm talking about here. And you'll be able to see and hear all that incredible work going on within the style of the Genos CVPs and Tyros. It's what makes everyone sound so great and really want one of these units. Now, I will be using my pedal to turn that rotary on and off when I'm on registration 3 and registration 4. So listen for that in the right hand, and you can do that whenever you want and really experiment with it. So you can see, by the way, one more thing, the angle I have it on, here's my rotary, that you'll see that red light go on when I touch my pedal, which is why I move my Genos over a little bit. So let's take a listen now to the finished product, Never My Love. Okay, so something real important as well. If you're purchasing the individual sheet music now off my digital retailer, and they're on my book bundles page and my Genos Tyros CVP video lessons page, if you're purchasing that individual sheet music to be emailed to you with everything that you get, remember, email me first and just put on there purchased whatever song it is, because you pay by credit card, that's one system, but it does not allow me to put you into contacts. So very important that you email me, and it's probably easier to email me first right before you buy it, and I'll make sure you are on the list. You can't be put on the list from the credit card order. The system will not allow me to do it. Okay, so isn't that style great with all that work going on in the background? A lot to learn here on this video. Watch my fingering and my chords. Good there. Make sure you watch when the rotary light comes on. You can do it anywhere you want, but it's a lot of nice work, and it's a great organ sound and a great song. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboard America saying have a great day. Keep playing. Happy 4th of July and Independence Day, and see you real soon.